Hey everybody, this is Rody at Bonnyville Dodge, and right behind me is a 2019 Dodge Durango Citadel. Alright, this 2019 Dodge Durango Citadel, beautiful black in color with some really nice bright accents on the outside. Very classy looking SUV. In the front bumper, you're going to see we do have our park sensors in here. This one is already equipped with the 3M coating on the front end and hood. We've got your eye for the adaptive cruise in the front here, right between your two fog lights. Coming around, we've got the nice, some bright rims on the Dodge Durango. These ones are 20-inch rims on this Citadel. Bright door handles as well with the keyless enter and go technology, so as long as you have the keys on your person, it's really easy. You just grab the door handle and it will unlock. You press this little button right here and it locks itself right back up, and it works just like that. Bright accents on the mirrors also, and on the mirror you also see that it is equipped with the blind spot monitoring technology as well. Get all the way around here. This Durango is equipped with the trailer hitch, trailer tow package. So right underneath here you're gonna have your trailer tow hitch. We've also got park sensors in the rear, as well as a backup camera right above the license plate. This model is four-wheel drive, and if we open up the back here, we've got the third row set up here. Really easy. It does have this nice little cargo cover as well, so you can just pull this ahead. It locks right in. It actually hides anything you'd have in the back. It is adjustable. You can move this further ahead when you do have these seats down. Very simple to put the seats down. Easy. You can do it one-handed. Pretty simple. Let's lift these back up here. You can see it does have a black headliner, black interior throughout. The seats are a black and a brown two-tone here. We'll press this little button and you see the power hatch will go down here as well. Going into the back seat, show you the beautiful bucket seats in the second row here. There is very easy entry. There's a little tether here. You pull this, seats go right up, so you have easy access into that third row. Let's put the seats down here. Now in the rear seat, you'll also notice you do have two DVD players in the back of the front two seats here as well. And going a little bit lower on the back of the armrest here, you'll notice that you've got some USB ports, another power port supply here as well. Not to mention heated seats in the second row. We've also got some floor liners in the front and the second row on the Durango. And open up the door here, you're gonna notice you can have all power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You notice here you've got your memory settings for two in here as well. Not to mention the Harmon Kardon audio system. You also have controls here for your power seats. Now let's just take a hop into the driver's seat. Alright, looking at the steering wheel here first, sitting in the driver's seat of the Durango Citadel. We've got all of our arrows. This is used to cycle through our menu on the 7-inch in-dash cluster here. Go through all your menus and see all sorts of gauges in here as well. It gives you messages and goes through all of the menu. You can see your fuel economy, your adaptive cruise, tire pressure, as well as all your other vehicle gauges. Give you all your information there, as well as your speedometer. This one does have paddle shift equipped in the steering wheel if you want to get a little more customized feel to your driving experience. And we've also got your cruise control buttons on here, as well as your adaptive cruise just below it. This 2019 Dodge Durango Citadel is also equipped with the Uconnect 8.4-inch touchscreen, and it will also come with a free trial of the Sirius satellite radio. Going into the apps menu on the 2019 Durango, you'll see it is equipped with the Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as the Uconnect Sirius XM Guardian system. It's fully compatible with that system. So with that, you also have the ability to use the SOS as well as the assist buttons that are also right up here in your rearview mirror in case you need those in an emergency. Going a little bit lower, we've got all of our climate controls just below the touchscreen, as well as inside the touchscreen you do have heated and vented seats in the front, as well as a heated steering wheel. You also have your options for to fold the headrests automatically up front here. And get a little video so you can actually fold the headrests in the third row from the very front for better visibility, either when you're driving or when you're backing up. It is equipped with lane sense technology as well to help you stay in between the lines on the road. And then of course you have your engine start stop button here to turn it off as well. You can turn your sport mode on here also. I'm just looking a little further below. You've got 2 USB ports right up front here, as well as your auxiliary port. So with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto technology, all you need to do is plug your phone into the USB port, and then you can actually mirror your phone onto the screen here, and you can also use compatible apps through the touchscreen that are on your phone. This is equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission as well. And you also have your console right here. You got a couple air fresheners. You also have your power supply here, as well as your Blu-ray player for your screens in the rear as well. Let's take one shot up here at the sunroof. It's definitely a very, very stylish vehicle, and it could be yours. If you're interested in taking a look at this 2019 Dodge Durango Citadel a little more in depth, it's really easy. All you need to do is give us a call at 780-826-2999, or you can text us at Bonnyville Dodge. Our number is 587-210-5330, and you can actually talk to a live salesperson through that text, really, and it's just as simple as that. So if you have any questions on this unit or any of our other units, give us a call or a text. We'd be more than happy to help you. That's Bonnyville Dodge, where we're family owned and community driven.